Guys, I must just let you know right now that from yesterday till today, I've literally only had 2 hours or 1 hour 30 minutes of sleep, and I'm being honest in the most plain way as possible. I was the one who signed a contract that I was going to bring you guys this show as it is hot. I was bringing you back to back, back to back, back to back. Anyways, guys, if you're new to my channel, you're welcome back. And if you're a new subscriber, just subscribe. Let's not talk too much. In this particular video, I'm bringing you some hot gist and gossip, alliances, fights, and a whole lot of other things that are happening. So, of course, watch this video till the end because it's about to go down. First off is the building bond and ship between Ceec and Adekunle. Now, Adekunle, this is not a part of him that we saw in the last show where he was just being rather a very educated person and all that, and he has said that here he's here to explore the other side of him, the intimate side of him, the flirty part of him. And the way he's been having conversations, first it was with Uriel, but it wasn't that deep. But this one that is going on with Ceec, I must say it is intense. You see them around the dining area, they were eating, and strong intense stare into each other's eyes, and then he has subtly indicated that he likes her, not until he and Sama were having a conversation, and here was Ceec drying her clothes or something of that sort, and Adekunle was telling Sama that this girl has told me earlier when I revealed my interest in her that she makes men cry, and that she's going to break my heart, I'm going to cry, and but I know she's joking and stuff. And someone was encouraging that, she's interested in you and all that stuff. But Ceec was so adamant, saying that I will make you cry. It won't take long. Next week, tomorrow, you are going to cry, except it's not me. I'm like, okay, girl, this seems like playful, lovey-dovey thing, and I will here for it, however way you guys want to do it, because... And here we have a certain alliance that I'm thinking might get these people to the middle of the show, or even to the finals. Cross and Pere have been, having silent conversations where they were whispering. And I thought the Big Brother's rules is don't whisper, don't have hidden conversations. Say it so that we can hear it. So they were having conversation around the kitchen, down to the point that Tolani Bad even eavesdropped. It turns out they were talking about girl. And now, these two guys know themselves from way back, even outside the show. They've been running things together, down to, Cross talking about his neighbor that he wanted to knock, But here they were having a conversation that we were not hearing audibly until Tonali Bart interrupted. And Pere was like, the one way me and you, they talk, and I never... And Cross was like, she's just my neighbor. Tonali Bart was like, you want run You won't run that parole? And Pere responded, no, I'm just asking. It's curiosity. T-Baj was like, you think you're smart, asking everybody. I know what you got going on. Is it because I didn't want to enter you? And Cross was like, enter me. I'm like, oh, daddy, you're a flirt. You said that you're a lover boy and not a bad boy, but you are a bad boy. You're a bad boy. Tolai Baj responded, I was like, why didn't you go and cuddle Ceec yesterday when you were cold? She was blushing when you were introducing yourself. I said, what is going on here? And Cross responded, oh my God, Che, the Lord is good. However this trial is going to be, it's one of two things. Tolani Baj is interested in one of these two guys, or she just wants a strong backing from two forces that are quite strong, and she might actually get one or the both of them. Anyways, I'm just wishing her luck with that. Moving on from that, y'all remember my previous video where I indicated the fact that we might have some certain housemates back in the show, because it's understandable. It's an all-stars. They have 20 housemates, but we might be expecting more. Why? Because there was a leaked picture where we saw the names like Nina, Tacha, Beauty, and V. Their names were available for those who had a name tag. But of course, prior to that, we had the information where Tacha allegedly refused the 10 million naira that was offered to every of the housemates. She demanded for 20 million naira, and she confirmed it when Tokemakiwa made a post on Twitter saying that, you know what, who did you expect to be on the show? But it's not here. And one of the ex-housemates, Mike, said that it was Tacha. And Tacha responded quiet saying they don't want pay money now, the price don't go up. And here was Beauty came attacking and blasting Tacha in the most crazy way. And it is something we really expected. Many of us were saying the same thing. Don't bite the hands or fingers that feed you or that have raised you. And that was what Tacha was allegedly doing. But one thing Beauty is not going to get away with is this actual clap back, because she's going to get it as a hot. She has put herself in the black book of Tacha, and her fans are going to eat her up bitter. So am I the only one who just heard this? So Ike has confirmed some certain statements that made, Nigerians drag WhiteMoney some time ago, when he was saying that, some BBNaija girls are hookup babes for big men and big boys. And now Ike is confirming that he is a PR. He makes money through PR, and that he organizes huge parties for Lagos big boys, and they specifically order for BBNaija girls, ex-housemates who are girls. And he was like, Venita knows how many times I have called her. I'm like, is this guy literally exposing that he has pimped Venita to men? Okay, I got nothing to say anymore. Honestly, I must say that for a first day, the house is going for so far so good. Expecting the show to really start later today with the black envelope challenge. I believe that should be the head of house games. We're expecting it to be interesting and more intriguing. Aside that, coming into the housemates, we have some housemates who are giving us highlights, and we have those who are not really giving us the highlights, right? And I'm just going to start somewhere randomly. For people like Adekunle, was seeing a new side of him. He's trying to get with the girls and explore the other side of him. That is while talking with Uriel and Ceec. Although he and Ceec had an exchange about him not liking short girls. And she was like, it's the girls you meet now. At least I get sense. I know book, and I even get, melons. The front melons. Yeah, I'll know what I'm talking about. And then, of course, we have another person who is really trying to get to be noticed and do more than she did in a previous set is Ilebaye. Like literally, people from Level Up season are really trying. Ilebaye are doing. They're really trying. Doing is trying to warm up to the English speaking guys. Ilebaye is trying to find a man who can really handle her. So she's been playing around Samadina and Cross, while Cross is wanting to have Angel by his side while trying to gun for any other one he can, have his hands on. Tolani Bad is trying to get one of the tough guys around, and especially to get her back and then get further in the competition. Although she said if she does not win, it's not a problem. She's here to have fun. Well, I've seen people like Ozo, and the guys who speak English, they're just there to come and, fill in space, have a good time, and leave. So I don't really focus on them. The other persons that are really giving us content, even though we don't want to admit it, is WhiteMoney, and is Messiah giving, not really. Angel is giving a little bit with her weird, things that she does, and we really like it. But of course, we're expecting everything to kick off from later today. Any other gossip that they have to share and side talks, I'm going to bring it to your screen. So of course, trust me, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to see you on the next one. Ciao.